they can put to the ground. You're also going to see a weight box out in front of many of these trucks as well. They're trying to get their weight out in front because if you can see the physics behind truck pulling, as soon as they get to some real heavy pulling, about the 75 to 100 foot mark, all of a sudden most of the weight is actually going to transfer onto the back wheels. Again, in four-wheel drive truck pulling, they want to make sure that all four wheels are engaged as they're going down the track. But actually, about 70 to 80% of the total weight, once they get fully hooked and into their pull, is going to be on the back wheels. Well, if they didn't weight up the front of the trucks, they would render the front wheels almost useless and would be at a huge disadvantage to their competitors that know how to weight it up right. Right